This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out here on the weather deck. Looked ominous in some areas for a while today. Most areas have been dry, but where it did rain, it rained a lot. 13 weather ball is green. No change to the warm but more comfortable weather pattern foreseen. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Hey, check out Dexter and Benny. We're going to give you a green paw for the most part for your evening and your morning walk, as temperatures will be a bit more comfortable in the morning than it will be this evening. Out at Lake Michigan, it's been a fairly choppy day, especially around South Haven on up through Grand Haven because of the gusty winds associated with those showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. Right at the beaches, it has been sunny. Water temperatures are in the 60s to around 70. Not too bad even for this time of year. Tomorrow, tons of sun. 9.8 out of a 10-point scale. It generates solar energy, and your green energy report continues. Not a lot of energy being generated by the wind because the winds are going to be light and variable here tomorrow. A low pressure system is what came through earlier last night. That gave us that overnight shower and a thunderstorm, and that's now down into northern Ohio. We've got a little bit of a lake breeze developing here in southwest lower Michigan, and where those showers popped up and an isolated thunderstorm, it rained quite a bit, a couple of inches in a few locations. Hour by hour between now and sunset, most of those showers will be dissipating, and we've got a mainly clear night here overnight for that super moon that's going to occur. And then during the day on Thursday, we'll be back into a lot of sunshine. Should be a nice day. As we head into Friday, we're going to see some high clouds come in overnight Thursday night, but it looks like the bulk of the rain is going to be south and west of us, especially during the day on Saturday. It looks like we're going to be a mostly sunny day, and then on Saturday night, the next round of rain is going to kind of wrap itself back around into lower Michigan. So the chances of rain have gone down just a little bit for Sunday. Nonetheless, I think Sunday will be the wetter of the 2 days this weekend. In terms of rainfall, not a lot here the rest of the night tonight. All the way through Saturday night. Most of that will come during the day on Sunday, and even the heavier amounts are being pushed further to the south right now. So we're not looking at 1-inch amounts. We're looking at maybe a quarter to a half an inch worth of rain. Long range outlook. This is from the 21st through the 27th. Has us for a high chance for warmer temperatures. Look, just about everywhere in the country is going to see very warm temperatures during that last week of July. And here in our part of the country, we're going to have equal chances for more or less rainfall. The highest chances for more rainfall will be along the southeastern U.S. Forecast then for tonight, skies will be clearing with low to mid 50s around Ludington and Hart, mid and upper 50s from Muskegon and Holland southward. Up north will be in the low 50s, mid 50s in Greenville and Fremont. And from Grand Rapids southward, looking for clearing skies after that evening shower passes on to the south. Overnight lows in the mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Average high is 82. We'll come close to that here tomorrow and Friday. Humidity level starts to go up on Saturday into Sunday. It looks like now our best chances for rain have moved into Sunday, and that might be the only real chance of rain out of the next 10 days or so as we hit the upper 80s to near 90 early next week. A model's not quite as aggressive of bringing in the hot weather next week and weekend. Nonetheless, above average into the mid and upper 80s. A mixture of clouds and sun throughout the day today, and if you saw dry conditions, you were lucky because there were a couple of spots that did get some heavy downpours. Are we going to see more of that? Well, 13 weather ball says not likely. It is green, and that means no change to our warm temperatures foreseen. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Temperatures in the 70s in most areas. We had an area of warmer temperatures right here in Grand Rapids, hottest in most of Michigan at 82 degrees, tying that with Kalamazoo. We thought it would be more like the rest of Michigan with 70s, but that's off by 5 degrees. We usually try to come within 3 degrees of our forecast high. Observed precipitation, most of it was along and north of US 10 over the last 12 hours or so, but there was one area from Grand Rapids to the south, especially in Middleville, where there was quite a bit of rain. Stombaugh Corners getting 2.5 inches of rain, and a lot of that rain up to the north of Mount Pleasant. But there was some in Wayland, about 1 2/3 inches, and also down in Dorr and Middleville, almost 1 inch of rain in a very short period of time for the pop-up showers. Because of our cooler temperatures, I think today makes day 8 in a row where we've been cooler than average. We're 0.8 of a degree cooler for the month of July, 1/2 inch below average for precipitation. That's out at the airport, not where you might live. 17% less sunshine up to this point in the month. You can see those flare up of those heavier showers right here around the Dorr and Middleville area, and there's still a couple here and there, but as the sun goes down, these are going to fall apart and we'll get rid of most of those showers. By around 7 o'clock, you can see there still might be one popping up over toward the Mulliken area and over toward Grand Ledge, but we'll just see partly cloudy skies the rest of the night. During the day tomorrow, back into lots of sunshine. It'll be a very comfortable day. Maybe a fair weather cumulus cloud here and there, but none of those pop-up showers or storms. Now, there'll be more of those off to our west Friday night into Saturday morning, or I should say Thursday night into Friday morning, because there'll be some high clouds around on Friday. So we'll call it mostly cloudy, but nonetheless, it will still be warm, and then back into some sunshine on Saturday. Models are taking more of the showers now down to the south of West Michigan, but pushing it back in our area on Sunday. I think Saturday was the best day to get outdoors and do any type of outdoor work. In terms of rainfall, it's backed off also on the amount of rain. The heaviest rains will be down in Indiana now, but on Sunday we could see up to 1/2 inch of rain now instead of over 1 inch. During the day tomorrow, mostly sunny, 77 Ludington, 80 in Hart, 83 Muskegon, 82 Holland. Up north you'll be in the low 80s, just about 82 everywhere under mostly sunny skies. Grand Rapids southward, we'll see light and variable winds becoming west in the afternoon with highs in the low 80s. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity is going away for the next couple of days, and then much more humidity starting over the weekend all next week. Only chance of rain looks like it'll be on Sunday, and then maybe hot and humid up around 90 by next Tuesday.